Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Gnome Reviews here. We're going to do a quick TLR-1 Streamlight TLR-1 HL demo for you guys. It's 1,000 lumens. The light, as you can see, it lines up perfectly with the switches for the light to activate it right against the trigger guard. It lines up nice, whereas like I had a Surefire XC1B and it would not line up. It wouldn't come back far enough, so it doesn't work for the FN57 pistol. Regarding compatibility, there's different mounting keys. So you got Glock, Smith & Wesson, Walther, Sig Pre 320, and you've got the standard 1913 for the FN57. The only concern that I have, it's not so much of a concern, it's just something to be aware of. So if you fire 120 rounds, this connection piece is going to go out probably if the light is on. If you're not using the light, don't worry about it. But if you've got this light turned on, there's a little hot. Yeah, you can see it. It says hot right there. Anyhow, if you got the light turned on, you fire up to 50 rounds, you should be fine. You fire 100 and 120, that's when it might get too hot and this connection piece might go out, because it's the polymer piece here on the back, plastic, but it's easy to replace. So if it does go out, the connection piece, no big deal, you can just get a new one. The rest of the light is good metal construction. So I've got nice fiber optic sights here, so when I use the light, it lights up my fiber optic sights, which is really nice. So you've got 3 modes of operation with this light. You've got the left side. If you use the left side, you've got momentary, bang bang, let go, good to go. Then you've got constant on the right side. Use the left one to turn it off, and then to use the strobe mode, you tap the momentary twice, which I don't want to get epilepsy, so I don't plan on using the strobe mode. But while I'm showing you, here's momentary again. It's nice and bright, 1,000 lumens. The entire shed area right here is lit up, so the light does what it's supposed to do. I really like this light so far. I would compare it to like the Surefire X300 full-size light. It really comes down to personal preference and not only price but compatibility. So each light is going to fit differently. The Surefire X300, as far as I know, it's not going to work good for the FN57 pistol. So it's not because of price that I went with the Streamlight TLR-1. However, the Streamlight TLR-1 HL is about half the price of the Surefire X300, just to make a note of that. So instead of right over 3 beans, you got 1.5 beans for this guy. So I've liked the light so far. It's not, like I mentioned before, this is not the Streamlight TLR-1 HL is not a new light by any means. It's just new for me. So I wanted to show you guys real quick the brightness and how well it works. So last thing that I want to say while I'm still filming this video, well, 2 things. I'm really happy about the colder weather. I'm a Christmas baby, so I hate the summer. I like being able to wear hoodies and beanies. It puts me in a better mood when it feels good outside. But the last thing that I want to say is, if you don't like my holster, my shoulder holster, kiss my ass. You index it forward. This thing is like 30 beans on Amazon. So I have no reason to complain about this. You know what I mean? It works. I've got a pistol, light, suppressor, 2 mags, 3 mags if you count the one in the pistol. But yeah, if you don't like my shoulder holster, you hating, you already know what to do. Kiss my ass. That's all I got for you guys. I'm fixing we're gonna do a range. I'm go over a couple targets and start doing range reviews. But I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go so I can start working on that. I just wanted to show you the brightness of the light. Like, comment, subscribe. If you've watched this long, I really appreciate you. Questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Stay tuned for more. Gnome Reviews out.